Hi, and welcome to NFTs Cracked. In this training, you're going to be learning how to basically go out and start making money with NFTs. NFTs, as we know it, is something that's really huge right now, and you're in at the right time. Now, for the past 12 months or so, I've been playing around with NFTs when I first heard about it, and from there on, it kind of opened up a door to new possibilities, new life-changing incomes that you can generate online. This is one of the best methods that anybody can jump on right now. Grab on that train that's actually trending, but it's here to stay. It's one of those markets where it's the most fastest adopted markets right now, crypto and NFTs. However, you should know that this is basically also risky. At the same time, if you don't know what you're doing, you could get lost. And that's why I'm here. I went through the paths of losing money and making money. I got scammed a few times as well from either mistakes that I've done or things that I didn't know about. And then you're going to be learning about that as well. And I've been able to basically flip images that I got for free and generated over 100 Solanas and many other small profits here and there from there on. And when I talked about 100 Solanas, we're talking about almost $20,000 from just purchasing images at the cost of the lowest price at 35 that I purchased. Some were even at $11, some were even free. So I'm going to show you the exact methods that I've been able to find these collections that actually help me generate those results. At the same time, I'm going to be sharing with you collections that didn't work for me. And it's not all collections that are going to be working, but I will show you the method. Three-step method that I find is an easy way for people to go in, search, find, and then flip. Now we're going to be using different marketplaces than the usual training that you're seeing out there. I know a lot of people don't have the money to afford to invest, and if this is the perfect marketplaces that I'm going to be sharing with you, that you're going to be saving a lot of money on fees and purchases and going through the mint process, which I'll be explaining inside the training. So basically, what I'm saying here is that I've created this course strategically towards the newbie, somebody that doesn't have a clue about NFTs and don't think that I understand it still. I mean, I've been doing it for 12 months and I'm still banging my head on the wall, wondering why people are purchasing collections and stuff. Well, I'm purchasing collections not to keep a collection and put it up on my wall. I'm actually trying to make money from that collection, from the image that I'm minting or thing, or I'm holding it depending on the collection. So you're gonna learn about what it takes to hold and what it takes to sell and flip and make quick money, or hold and get passive income. And I've managed to generate both of these at the time of me speaking to you. Now, the course is broken up into the first section, where I'm going to be taking you by the hand, and we're going to look at the marketplaces. We're going to look at what you need to be doing step by step, and then there are upsells where the upsells I'm going to be taking you more advanced into the Ethereum space, which we're talking about OpenSea and other methods and tools. But that's more of the I'm saying advanced because there you deal with a lot of high-priced gas fees, etc., and other things that you need to take in there's another method of finding and flipping and making money from there that I'm going to be showing you, but that's an upsell. But front this training that you're going to go through is perfect because you can take this and use it for other places as well and marketplaces. But I wanted to take you by the hand, show you how you're going to be starting and how we're going to be flipping, finding, flipping, and generating money online. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not somebody that's an expert in NFT in the NFT space. I'm somebody that was actually digging deep. I've learned. I've learned from my mistakes, and I've gotten better at it. And I think it's time for me to show you the exact steps from somebody that was in your shoes not long ago. Okay, so basically, I love NFTs. They're addictive, and you're gonna learn a lot today, I think, in general through this course.